Today we are doing a boat tour of Cavalier. She's a Silverton 43 motor yacht with overall length of 48, including the swim platform. The beam's 15 and the draft is just under 4 feet. We really like this boat a lot. It's kind of the perfect boat for us. We hope you enjoy. So this is our boat Cavalier. Tied up to a dock right now. We do have a dinghy that we use quite a bit when we're anchored. It's nice. We have a Yeti cooler, which is coming real handy. We use it as a cooler, but right now it is our steps. When you get these fixed docks, sometimes you got to figure out how to get on and off them different times. There's Martin, has his bike ready to go.
Okay, so here is the aft deck of the Cavalier. We're stepping into it. And this is a place we like to hang out. It's nice and it's kind of a little more open to the air than down below in the salon. But you can see we have another little sitting area back here with 2 chairs. And outside there we have our barbecue grill. It's kind of nice. And over here what we have is a little station. It's actually, there's a little refrigerator or ice maker down here, and then a little sink, little bar sink. And this is actually what we use as our auxiliary cooking station. So if we don't want to cook downstairs, we do some cooking up here. And what we have is, you can see, we have our induction cooker down here. And that way we can fry stuff up here, like if we're blackening fish or something, or something. If we don't want to get it too hot downstairs or anything else, we can use that cooktop up here. And on top of that, we have our Instapot, which we love, using it as a slow cooker and as a pressure cooker. And then next to it, we have our sous vide set up, so we can do all of our meats and things like that. Then it's just some other miscellaneous stuff. Our Starlink is up here, and we had a UPS for it and stuff like that. And that's kind of it for the aft deck. Let me go back up here and we'll shoot down at it. So again, it's a nice place to hang out, especially when the weather's nice. You can just kind of hang back here, and pretty cool. Okay, so up here we're going to go up to the bridge of the Cavalier now. Very nice. As you can see, we'll first come up here and we'll turn back around. You can see we have a lot of nice seating up here. There's quite a few people up here, either just hang out and have happy hour, or they can be here while we're cruising the boat. Very nice. There's more seating over here. You can see I got my fishing poles up top, and then the actual bridge station where we drive from is right here. And we got we're not cruising at the moment, so all the electronics are covered up. Normally we would have our auxiliary two more tablets right there to help navigate. Those are kind of nice. And we've got our bench seat. It'll sit 3. You can either have these all down, and if you want more access in here, these things pop up and let you walk by a little easier. And this is the view out the back. Pretty good sight lines actually for backing the boat up. I can stand here and you can see, I can't see the swim platform or the dinghy back there, but I got a good idea where it all is, so helps out. Anyhow, this is the bridge. Okay, so now we're going to head down into the main salon. There's 5 nice easy steps down into it. And very spacious down here. You can see over here we have a full-size couch with Maddie is currently enjoying. And over here we have our little kind of like a little office area. You know, we can keep all our little stuff we need and different things. And then and here's our main electrical panel. And then on this side we have more seating, two more nice, really comfortable club chairs. Pretty nice. Again, more storage, lots of storage in here. And there is our America's Great Loop map. You can see that we are up there quite a ways, about halfway done. Okay, and then over here is the rest of the salon. Again, more storage. You can see the television, the big screen television up there. Very nice. And here we're going onto the galley. The galley is very, it's not huge, but it's very functional. We have a, not a full-size refrigerator, freezer, but it's got quite a bit of room to it. And there's also, as you can see, a 3-burner cooktop and a oven. Very nice. I can even make my pizzas in the oven. We got the microwave in the back there, and the sink here, and again, lots of storage everywhere. Very, very comfortable. I even got my stand mixer over here for making my pizza dough and bread. Okay, lots of stuff in here. Again, very comfortable. These are these spaces are down here, or you can have lots of people entertaining and not feel crowded. So we like it. Okay, so now we're going to go down into the forward stateroom, and it has an attached head to it, which also acts as the day head. So you can access this head either through this door right in front of us, or you can access it through for the bedroom. So let's go take a look. Nice little head, sink, and toilet. Plenty of room for storage for other stuff. And then we come back here, close that, and come into the stateroom itself. It is a queen berth, nice and spacious, and it also is being our pantry right now, part of it. So we have we're still looking for places to store things. So there's that, and then this is that other door I was talking about. So you could actually close the other door and then enter here, and it would be a private one for this stateroom. So let's close this up now. And on the other side, to close the door, we have the forward shower. Nice roomy shower, plenty of room in here, little seat to sit in. It's very comfortable, actually. And then there's also lots of hanging lockers and storage elsewhere. You can see that there is a laundry. It's a combination washer dryer underneath the forward stateroom bed. Okay, so now we're going to go into the aft cabin, which is also what they call the captain's quarters. Go down. There's 3 nice easy steps down into it. And you can see it is a almost fully walk around queen berth. There's hanging lockers to either side. Very nice. And then over here is the master little pocket enclosed toilet, and a nice little sink here. So this can be closed off. And then on the other side of that door, you come in here, nice and roomy, very comfortable. Again, a nice little seat, and again, a very nice comfortable shower.